Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Are you looking for another perfect summer recipe? One that doesn't involve heating up your kitchen or yourself? Well, you came to the right place, because today we're going to be making a no-cook Mexican corn fiesta meal. It is truly insane. It's flavor-packed, and there's no fuss, no muss. You just throw everything together in no time. I'm really excited to get started on this, and of course, enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and not get cooking! First of all, we have our raw washed sweet corn here. I'm going to cut off all the kernels. I'm going to dice up some jalapeno. I'll dice up some cucumber, and we're keeping it pretty small. Next, I'm dicing up some avocado. And I'm keeping these a little more chunky. I'm going to juice 2 limes. Did you know that corn is actually a grass, not a veggie? Despite how we eat it, it's a part of the grain family, and more specifically, part of the grass family. So next time someone tells you to go eat your veggies, tell them you're going to enjoy some very tall grass instead. Corn has a natural OCD built in. 1 ear of corn always contains an even number of rows of kernels. Go ahead and count them. Popcorn is an OG snack dating back 7,600 years in Peru. So the ancients were enjoying movie night snacks long before movies even existed. I'm sure they put on their own live shows. I'm adding some olive oil to our lime juice. And add salt to your taste. I'm adding freshly ground black pepper, our dried ground Mexican chili blend, and a little bit of hot chili. Taste test it and see how you want to adjust it. And microplaning 2 cloves of garlic. And we'll mix it into our sauce. I have some Roma tomatoes I'm going to dice up. And for our side skewers, I'm using our sriracha smoked tofu. All we have to do is cut it into cubes and we're good to go. I'm gonna finely dice our red onion. Did you know corn silk is an ancient remedy dating back 6,000 years? It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin C, vitamin K, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Often in its remedy form, it's enjoyed as a mild tea. One of the most well-known properties of corn silk is that it's a natural diuretic. It's said to have demulcent properties, meaning if there's any irritated areas in the urinary tract, it tends to have a soothing effect on those. In traditional medicine, it's used to treat high blood pressure, and research has shown that it's even been beneficial for diabetes by increasing insulin in the body. Corn silk is even used to treat depression. Phenols and flavonoids are powerful antioxidants. They clean up damaging free radicals, protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. By reducing this stress, they improve healthier brain function and improve mood. Now assemble your mini skewers as you like. I'm alternating with our sriracha smoked tofu, a red pepper, a pineapple, a green pepper, and repeat. Feel free to mix up the order a little bit. You can opt for 2 different arrangements to keep things colorful. I drained and rinsed our canned black beans and we're ready to mix everything up. You don't have to worry about measuring it, just eyeball it. And mix in the sauce. You may like to use the sauce in the skewers or another sauce of your choice that works well. I recommend sticking with the lime flavor. To finish it off, we're adding chopped cilantro. And I'm serving this with our blue tortilla chips. This would also make an excellent taco filling. This spice level is agreeable for a crowd, but feel free to add your own extra spice, just like I did. It's that time again, everyone. We get to try our delicious Mexican corn fiesta dish. It's a type of pico de gallo. It's a wonderful choice, in my opinion, for the hot weather. Especially if you get fresh sweet corn from the farmer's market. It hits a spot in all the right places. Wonderful flavors. You taste so much more of the sweetness from the corn when it's raw like this. Super satisfying. We have our simple raw skewers. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious summer recipe to beat the heat. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. This is going to be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!